This video is here for you if you wanted to learn how you can use a custom font like Google Font in your HTML and CSS projects. In order to get started, go to your browser and search for Google Fonts. Press enter to search for it, then you click to open it. It's downloading. So these are the list of fonts that can be used. There are a lot of them, but if you feel like searching for it, so if you have any font in mind that you wanted to use, you can search for it here. Say for instance, I can search for Roboto. So then you can click on it. But take for instance, you wanted to see the preview of how the font is going to look like. You can type in anything you like to see the preview. This is what I've typed here under this section. You are welcome. And as you can see, this is how the font is going to look like. So you can select anyone that resonates with what you are trying to do. Take for instance, I'm going to select this one. We have different font weight. So thin is corresponding to 100. We have extra light, which is corresponding to 200. So we have different font weight just like that. We have the regular one, which is 400. We have the medium one, which is corresponding to 500. Just feel free to select anyone that you wanted to use. There are a lot of them, up to 900. So I can click on this section, then I'll click on get fonts. You can either click to get the embed code or you can download it. But I'm going to click on this section, get embed code, because we are going to be using it in the head section of our HTML documents. If you like, you can click on this one, import, but I like to use the link, so I'll leave it at link. Then I'll click on copy code. Then I can now paste the code under the head section of my HTML documents. So this is it, it has been pasted. Before we change it to the new one, let's quickly see the preview of the previous one. Immediately we change it, you are going to see the difference. So then I'll come back to this section, then I'm going to copy this one line of code, right click and copy. Then I'll go back to the VS Code browser. Now that I'm done copy, so I'm going to place my browser side by side with my Visual Studio Code Editor. Now I have my browser alongside my code editor. I already have my HTML and CSS linked together. So I'm going to paste the font family that has been copied from Google Fonts. As you can see, the font family has changed to this Roboto font that has just been pasted. On this channel, I create video on HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Figma tutorial and Photoshop. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests and I'll be ready to do that for you. If this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. Also, subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Also, don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.